What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera not focusing in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera and then click on force stop. Now again click on force stop. Now here you can force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open your camera. Now on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now scroll down and click on restore defaults. Now again click on restore. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.